today I'm going to bring one of these extenders, and if you guys can see, it's ready for an actual camera, any kind of camera that will screw in there. But they give you another option, which they give you this one, and it comes with a bag too, so you can put it away, and it extends pretty long. Now, to tighten it up, it's just these wheels that you do instead of the old ones, the old traditional ones that you have to screw in. It's pretty much these, and they could hold a couple pounds, so that's not bad. We're gonna put it to the test, and we're gonna put a camera over it. And I like it to give you this bow head. It moves 360, and you tighten it up, and it has, you guys can see, a couple of degrees information out there, numbering, so you could actually tighten it up in case you want to keep a certain angle, certain thing. So great buy. I mean, 2 for 1 kind of thing, plus the bag for traveling and the desk grip. Easy to tie. It does have a little rubber end here at the end. So let's go ahead and put it together. All right, check this out, guys. I put in my light, a heavy duty light, an LED light, and then I got the other one, similar one. I bend it here, and I put the light in here. As you can see, I put a pancake light right over the camera, so but I'm not able to see any shadows too much on the camera, which is good. So I wanted to do something like this. I'm gonna do some cable management. You guys can see the other one. It's longer than, I wanted it taller than my monitor. That's why I ended up buying this, and these are perfect. You can bend them, get them closer like I did here. See how I bend it? And I also tangle my cable so it won't cable management a little bit. But it's taking on, this is pretty heavy light. It's actually taking it on pretty good. So I tied it up, make sure everything's tight, and trusting an LED over you, it's the one thing, so not that bad.